Hi everybody. Today we're going to take a look at how to install Screencastify so you can start recording your screens. So I'm here on my Chromebook, and the very first thing you want to do is click on the circle in the bottom left-hand corner. That'll bring up this tray. You can make it larger and look for the icon called Web Store. So I click on Web Store, and it's going to take me to the Google Chrome Web Store. Now in the search bar, I'm going to type in the word Screencastify, no spaces. And once I have Screencastify up there, I'm going to look for the button that says Add to Chrome. I click on Add to Chrome, and it's going to say, would you like to add this to your Chrome? I'm going to click Add Extension, and it's going to take a minute. It's actually downloading the little mini program. So once it's ready, it says Show in Folder, and you'll get this pop-up box in the top right-hand corner. It says Screencastify. I'm going to click on it, and it's going to take me to a new page for the very first time. Now, this is the only time you're ever going to see this. I click on Sign in with Google. This is really important because if you don't do that, all of your files will not be saved to your Google Drive. Then it's going to ask me, can I use my camera and can I use my drawing tools and annotations? I'm going to click Next. And then it's going to say, do I want to allow or deny? I want to allow. And it's going to say it again in the top left-hand corner. Oh, looks like mine didn't. If it does, I want to click Allow. Now, I see that I have recordings. I've installed Screencastify. You'll probably get a video if this is the very first time you're recording on Screencastify. So how do I actually record? So I'm going to click on that pink arrow again, and I'm going to get a few menu options. First thing is I want to pick which way I want to record. Do I want to record my browser tab, my desktop, or my webcam? Depending on what I want to do, you're most likely going to pick desktop or webcam. Browser tab means I'm just recording this one tab. If I flip to another tab, it's not going to record it. So I never use this browser tab. If I select desktop, that means I'm recording everything that I do on my screen, as well as my voice. I can also enable webcam, so I can record my face as well. Or if you're doing a reflection, you don't need your desktop and you only want webcam. So if I select webcam, it's only going to use the camera on my Chromebook and record my face and my voice. So depending on which one you choose will depend on how your video looks. Next, I want to make sure that my microphone is turned on. I know that my microphone is working because as I'm talking, I see this little color wheel popping up between green to red. If I don't see that color, that means that there's something wrong with my microphone. So then I want to let my teacher know. Another thing that you can do is click on Show More Options. If I show more options, I get some of these options like my countdown. Countdown is just like when they're in the movies and they say 3, 2, 1, action. I can change that from 3 seconds, 5 seconds to 10 seconds. This helps kiddos or students who are new to recording and want a little bit more time to prepare before it starts recording. If I'm on my desktop, I can use some drawing tools, or if I'm on my webcam, all I get is my countdown. So now that I've gone through my settings, I can click on Record, and it's going to ask me to share my screen. I only have one screen, so I'm going to click Share.
3, 2, 1.
Now it's starting to record. Once I'm done recording, I'm going to click on the Screencastify button in the top, and I can hit stop, or sometimes you have an option down here at the bottom that says stop sharing screen.